going to remove the stock shifter boot. So we're just gonna go from the back and just pry it up just like that. All right, you see this little clamp right here. You can either stick like a little screwdriver in there or just cut it off. I'm gonna try to cut it off. We got it pretty loose. Just pull up. And there we have our shift boot. So we can go ahead and go to the next step. We have to pry this back to release the actual knob. All right, so here we have the stock knob off. And as you can see, it's kind of a pain in the ass to get it out. But what you're trying to do is just pry these tabs back so then they could clear this lip right here. And then you could pull the knob through the shift boot. And here we have it ready to go. All right, so here we got a little comparison. You can see the stock golf ball. And then we have the BFI shift knob. And this one weighs really nice, 235 grams. With the BFI shift knob, you also get this baggie. Has the coin. Does it have the Allen? Yeah, it has the little Allen and the 2 screws that you're gonna use to secure the shifter. Go ahead and slide that on there. Now you can adjust this to the height that you want. I'm gonna rock it all the way down. Just do a little test fit. And yeah, that feels really good. Like the weight is really nice. And the leather on top, it's just nice to grab onto. Like it has a good solid feel when you're shifting through the gears. Go ahead and slide your shift knob through the boot and then leave a little bit exposed for the 2 screws to go through, and put your zip tie right there. That way that little collar on the shift knob will prevent the boot from ever coming loose. So that's good to go. So literally we just have to stick this on there and tighten up the screws and we are good to go. Show you the final product. Don't forget to add your blue Loctite on these bolts as well. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. There we have the boot. There we have the knob. Nice and tight. Oh yeah. So we got the knob in there. Now we just have the final touch. The little coin that goes on top. And I think it just completes it. Looks super good. I just got our coin on there. Oh fuck. Holding the camera and driving at the same time, so this is hard to shift gears, but the overall shift feel has improved a lot. I think it's due to the weight, 235 grams. It looks great, feels great, definitely worth getting the shift knob, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this quick install. Very easy to do. Stay tuned for future videos, guys. Hope you're all doing well. Catch you next video.